In this video, we're going to take a look at a word problem that has to do with perimeter. So if we have a problem that says each side of a square yard is 10 feet long, what is the perimeter of the yard? So the first thing is not to panic. Most of my daughters panic when they see a word problem, but just break it down each word at a time. Okay, so we know we're looking at a square yard. So try to picture it, a square yard. So the first step is to imagine the square yard if you are looking at it from above, right? So it would look like this. This is the square yard. And then it says that each side of it is 10 feet long. So then you would just label it 10 feet on all sides, right? So now it becomes easy. We've done these problems before together. And we just have to remember what perimeter is. The perimeter of a shape is the distance around the shape. So what I always say is, think of yourself walking around the whole entire yard. And how far did you walk when you get back to where you started, right? So I first walk 10 feet, then I walk another 10 feet, then I walk another 10 feet, and finally I walk the last 10 feet. So what's the total amount of feet that I walked? So you would just add that all together, and you would see that the perimeter is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is 40 feet. And here you could practice your skip counting by 10, right? 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 feet. So the perimeter is 40 feet. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. Just rewatch the video and it'll make sense. You're probably one explanation away from understanding it.